Good morning, rented people in the planet Earth. Welcome my own YouTube channel at Jupiter Riqueza. This is the land was acquired my own father Guido Riqueza the time of 1970s. Almost 3 hectares, all of them. You see that one? This is property, it's mine as my own shares. Maybe I will already sold my own property in Davao, I will be transferred here. This one, it's my own property. It's here. All the living here was already my own brothers and sisters of Riqueza. In the future, this one, I want to be built this one as subdivision Riqueza and Riquezo. This land is already 3 hectares. Before was already planted in cacao and coffee beans. That mountains, my grandfather was already living there. My name as my own grandfather is Melesio Riquezo. Why can already my own father and my grandfather's different names? Because on the time of World War II, there's all Riqueza will be killed, one of the generals, then will be changed to become Riquezo. She said to my own father, he talked to us. That's why the Riquezo and Riqueza eat the same blood. The Stick Mountain, it's already the top of Saray Pagi.